Log in to the account portal. Now click on the edit icon shown next to the personal information section. Now change the email ID. Finally, click on the update button shown here. Click on the send OTP code button. Enter the OTP received on your email ID and click on verify. Once done, click on the Proceed button. Pay attention to the notification shown here. You will receive an email with a verification link. Click on it to confirm your new email ID. Congratulations, your email ID has been changed successfully.